Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this experiment, we will study the distribution of iodine between two immiscible solvents, carbon tetrachloride and water. Our goal is to determine the distribution coefficient by preparing four distinct equilibrium systems and analyzing them through titration. Here, as you see, from the upper layer of the bottle, aqueous solution is pipetted out 5 ml to the conical flask. As you see, 5 ml is pipetted out from the upper layer of the bottle to the conical flask. And next step is 10 ml of potassium iodide solution is taken in the solution. Three to 4 drops of starch indicator is taken in the mixture. Here you can see the solution color is turned into blue. Then it is titrated with 0.01 normal sodium thiosulfate solution, that is called hypo solution. Then in the end point, the blue color of the mixture turn into colorless solution. For the second phase of the experiment, we pipette out 5 ml of organic layer from the lower part of the bottle in the conical flask. Here you can see organic layer is taken in the conical flask. Then 10 ml of potassium iodide solution is taken in the mixture. After that, 3 to 4 drops of starch indicator is taken in the mixture. Then it's mixed properly. After that, it is titrated with 0.05 normal of sodium thiosulfate solution. In the end point, the color of the solution is faint and it is turned into colorless solution. Here you can see the color of the mixture slowly disintegrates and it is turned into colorless solution. In the end point, the color of the solution is colorless. Now our practical is end. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and share to your friends.